Magic. Hey everyone, Kiwi Rider 26 here. Just here at uni because I have a big exam tomorrow morning and I have been studying all day and my brain's fried because I think you can actually overstudy and I think I may have. So I thought it's time. The blossoms are out because it's spring here. Everyone else is going into winter and we're coming into summer. Anyway, yeah, because I think you can overstudy. I think I have, so I just thought, well, I have my camera here, I might as well make a video. Don't know where I'm going to go yet, but we'll see. And also, make sure that's closed. I'm going to try and find out why the sound quality isn't very good. I don't know if it's just because it's a bad camera or what. My vents are all completely closed and stuff now. But yeah. Oh, my brain's fried, I can't even think of what to say. Let's talk about how awesome motorbikes are. So I was considering driving. Driving to uni, but then I was like, no, my motorbike's so much cooler. Because why don't we list the advantages and disadvantages of a motorbike versus a car? Well, for starters, I pay nothing for parking anywhere. Petrol's a hell of a lot cheaper because I've got a car as well now and I get twice as much. For $20 petrol, I can go twice as far on the motorbike. Which I think is just great, being poor. I don't pay for parking. It's cheap. It's fun. Just, you have no freedom with a bike. See, that's why I thought my brain's fried. I could just go for a ride because riding just absolutely relaxes me. I don't have to think overly much. I can just go for a nice cruisy ride out to wherever I'm going. Of course there are disadvantages to a motorbike as well, I guess. There's one, that it's cold when it's frosty and you get wet, which I guess is two, but shh, don't tell anyone. But I will happily take that for the freedom of being on a motorbike. Oh, it's so good to get away from study because it's biochemistry and it's hard and I don't like it. Well, it is kind of interesting, but it's hard. And the test is worth like 20% of my total grade, so it's quite big. Well, there's Chinese garden. Past it now. Don't know if you can see that. It's because we've got a Chinese mayor. Don't ask me why, but we do. Chinese mayor, and he wanted us to have a Chinese garden for some strange reason. It was quite funny though, because apparently Chinese people actually came over and made it, and they were making it with their traditional Chinese ways, and they were using, instead of like metal scaffolding and stuff that usually they use, like those sorts of things and stuff, they were using bamboo and like all these like 1,000-year-old techniques and stuff. And so OSH, the Occupational Safety and Health and Safety, whatever, they were going nuts at them for it. I'll say this. They were going nuts at them about it because that's not safe. Because it was quite cool, because apparently what they were doing was, because it's bamboo and it's bendy, they were, when the people above some of them, when the ones above them needed anything, they could just, like, sort of, if the one above them like had a hammer and the ones below it needed it, then what they could do is sort of push away from the wall the whole scaffolding would come away from the wall, drop it, and then when as the scaffolding came back in, the person below would catch it. But yeah, Osh didn't really like that, which I can completely understand. But in the end, Osh got told to butt out, I think, and let them do it their way. So, take that, Osh. What was that? What's that mean? I don't know. Let's filter. No, let's not actually. Not next to a massive truck. No, I don't filter often. Not in Dunedin, because A, the cops, it's not, I don't think many motorcyclists would do it, and the cops would pin me for it, as they would, because they would do whatever they can. Yeah, no, filtering's not very big in New Zealand, I don't think. I'll do it when there's no bike lane here. Sometimes there's a bike lane down the left of the road that you can sort of just go down that. I mean, you're a bike, technically. I don't know. I'd like to argue that with a policeman, but okay, I just want to see here. I've said this in another video. I need to get out of this guy here's blind spot. He can't see me at all. Oh, large pizza, $7.90. What a job. Standing outside dangling a sign about pizza. Super liquor. It's time, 6 o'clock. Oh, I'm feeling so much better. Oh well, I better end this video now. Morals of the story: don't overstudy. Motorbikes are better than cars. And yeah, pretty much.